We express several emotions like happiness, sadness, joy, excitement, shock, surprise while we speak. But when we write, how do we express these emotions? We can express these emotions using a punctuation mark, which is called an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used after words or sentences which express sudden feeling or wish. So this is an exclamation mark and it looks like an inverted I. And the first word after a mark of exclamation always starts with a capital letter. So just like in a full stop, the first word after an exclamation mark starts with a capital letter. Now, what are exclamation marks used for? They are used to express astonishment or awe or surprise. So if you look at this sentence, do we say, what a giant dog? Or do we say, what a giant dog? And in order to express this astonishment, I need to use an exclamation mark. So I use an exclamation mark at the end of this sentence. What a giant dog. And it is used to express astonishment. Now, there's a dress here. And if we have to say, what a beautiful dress. Now, this is an expression of awe. What a beautiful dress. So, what will be the correct punctuation mark to use? Well, will it be a full stop? No. Will it be a question mark? Just because it starts with what doesn't mean that it is a question. It is not a question. In fact, it is an expression of awe. And that is why we need to put an exclamation mark at the end. And when we put an exclamation mark at the end, we read out this sentence as, what a beautiful dress. Not what a beautiful dress. So it is what a beautiful dress. What an amazing sight this is. Now, do I read the sentence like this? Or do I read the sentence as, what an amazing sight this is? So what will be the punctuation mark to put at the end? Well, in order to bring in this expression of surprise or astonishment, I need to use an exclamation mark at the end. So this becomes, what an amazing sight this is! Exclamation mark. This is used to express astonishment or awe or surprise. Wow, the flower is beautiful. Do we say it like this? What is the correct way of writing this sentence? We say it as, wow, the flower is beautiful. Now this wow requires an exclamation mark because we are expressing a very strong emotion of surprise or awe. So wow, the flower is beautiful. This word wow is an interjection, and because there is an exclamation mark, the next letter T should be a capital letter. So the sentence becomes, wow, the flower is beautiful. Other than awe, surprise or astonishment, exclamation mark is also used to express joy and excitement. Hurrah, we have won the match. A better way to express our excitement on winning the match is, hurrah, we have won the match. Now this hurrah requires an exclamation mark to express the excitement. So it is a matter of excitement that we have won the match, and hurrah, this word, which is an interjection here, is expressing this excitement. So we place an exclamation mark after hurrah, and the next letter W is written using capitals. We have won the match. So the sentence becomes, hurrah, we have won the match. Yippee, I won the race. Now, once again, it is a matter of excitement that I have won the race. Now, this term, yippee, is used to express excitement. So, I need to place an exclamation mark after it and I read it as yippee. I won the race. Now, this yippee, which has a strong sense of joy or excitement, is an interjection and it should be followed by an exclamation mark. So the sentence becomes, yippee, I won the race. Cheers, let us celebrate my birthday today. Once again, this word cheers should have an expression of excitement because it is my birthday. So I say it as, cheers, let us celebrate my birthday today. Now this cheers, which has a sudden feeling of excitement or joy, is an interjection and it should be followed by an exclamation mark. Cheers, let us celebrate my birthday today. Now the L of let will be a capital letter. So the sentence will be, cheers, let us celebrate my birthday today. Now can you tell me what is the correct answer here? Will it be alas, congrats, wow, it is a pleasant surprise? Now we are saying it is a pleasant surprise. So we need to express a feeling of surprise or awe. We are awed by the surprise. And which of these words or interjections expresses a feeling of surprise or awe? Alas is for sadness. Congrats is for congratulating. And wow is used for surprise or awe. So the correct interjection to be used here is wow. And wow should be followed by an exclamation mark. Also, the I of it should be a capital letter. So the correct sentence is, wow, it is a pleasant surprise. So this is how we can use exclamation marks in the sentences where we need to express joy, excitement, we need to express a feeling of surprise, awe or astonishment. So this is how you can use exclamation marks in sentences where you need to express a strong emotion. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.